Asanteni sana.
Okay, we have a question, Mheshimiwa, before you go. This issue that happened this issue that happened in Nairobi.
What I will do, we will have about 3 questions, and if you get a chance, you wait, I give you the chance. Yeah. And thereafter introduce yourself and the media house, and then we proceed from there. Now start with
Okay, I'm Bernard Ojong for NTV.
Okay.
I have a question that goes, there's this issue that is currently being discussed across the country, the murder of a prominent lawyer in Nairobi, and it is something that is current. People are talking about it and raising concern of the safety of prominent people in the country. Recently, there was that case of Wongondowere, and the same thing happened to Mbobu. And when you were in Western last week, you did mention that most of these gangs that are currently being grouped together, they are being used by politicians. You, as a security team, what are you doing at least to ensure that this thing is curbed? Because according to security analysts, they are saying that in case something is not done, they are going to destabilize the country. Another thing, just to add on that, is the issue.
You now. That's a third question.
No, the combination of that.
Oh.
The
you have
county,
already concluded that everyone.
And the county enforcement officers, they are using pingu, and many people are complaining that they use that to pose as security officers, as police, and also sometimes they do arrest. So the question is, what are you doing to tackle this? Are you going to enable them use the... Because most of the time people are saying that they use those handcuffs to arrest.
The handcuffs?
The county response officers, county askaris.
Oh, okay.
Kanjo.
Okay.
They arrest people, and sometimes they walk around.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, those are 3 questions.
Yes.
I am assuming there are 3 questions. You only had a chance to ask 1, but I'll be, first of all, on the question of the murder of Dr. Michael Charlo Mbobu. This is a very sad thing that has happened in our country. It is akin to what happened also to Honorable Ngondowere. I feel very sad because, as you may want to know, Mr. Mbobu was my teacher and my friend, and we, apart from that, the fact that he taught me, we also worked together. So it's a very sad thing to see him being killed in such a very heinous manner. It's a terrible thing that happened in our country, that someone assassinated or killed a very prominent, hard-working citizen of this republic who was going about his business peacefully. We do not know the motive yet. So I start by saying my condolences to the family of Dr. Charlo Mbobu. He was a wonderful man. He was, I can say, one of my best teachers. Anybody who studied evidence at the University of Nairobi School of Law remembers his diligence, commitment, hard work, and clarity of mind. Very eloquent, very knowledgeable, and has left a big legacy in our country, particularly in the legal profession. His book on evidence and his research and works on the field of law shall always be remembered in this country for many, many years. I feel very sad, by the way, about that incident, and I am very interested in knowing what exactly happened in this situation, just like many Kenyans are, but also I am in a position of responsibility, and we have been in touch with the DCI since this issue has happened, and I am happy to note that there is some progress that has been made. Some persons of interest have been identified, that those persons of interest are being interrogated, and many others are going to be sought. I pray that the DCI is going to be successful We thank the eyewitnesses who have already come out, who are in the scene, and many other Kenyans of goodwill who are giving information to the DCI. I encourage more Kenyans to come forward and assist in the process. Anybody who knew anything that is related to this very heinous act to come out, because it is in the interest of us in the security sector and the people of Kenya that the truth comes out and we get to know exactly what happened in this situation. And I am very optimistic that in a very short while we will have very good leads as far as this issue is concerned. I just want to say that it is not in our interest to only resolve cases that are involving prominent persons or persons who are known to us or persons who are our friends or who are holding high office. This is the same speed that must be applied in every case, including the chief who was murdered, assistant chief who was murdered in this county. When such cases of crime happen, we want to see that the DCI moves with speed to unravel the mystery behind such acts. So from my office, from myself as a person, I continue extending my condolences to his family, and I promise that we will do everything to make sure that justice is served and that the perpetrators are arrested and brought before the court of law. I am happy that all resources are being expended to make sure that this issue is resolved. On the question of gangs, I must say that gangs are not, as I said last week, any gangs anyway is a threat to national security. So we will do everything. We will do law enforcement, but also we must do sensitization to the members of public to make sure that they understand the dangers of supporting criminal, supporting goons who can easily graduate to become gangs. And that issue is being dealt with, as I said. Operation work and plans are ongoing in different places where gangs have operated before. As we go towards elections, many political leaders will be tempted to hire goons to provide security to them or to walk around, intimidate their opponents. We want to ask them to resist that temptation because the consequences might be too dire for you to survive. So we are making progress, but we can do better. That is what exactly we can say about gangs. I don't know what else you asked. Our county askaris have no, any Kenyan, any citizen can arrest anybody. I hope you know that. Even you can arrest anybody. But the question of using handcuffs, you don't have that power. That's only for police officers. And that issue must be communicated accordingly to the county askaris and enforcement officers. They can always seek the support of the county security team so that police officers are deployed to assist where they think that enforcement presence of police officers is needed to arrest suspects. But, you know, that is an issue that can easily be resolved between the county government and the county security team.